Hey guys, I'm going to draw the Stumble Guys Ken. Hope you can join in and have some fun. Let's start with his constructing up his head, his neck, and now we're just going to put where his body is going to be, his jacket, his pink jacket, comes up and around like that, down and around like this, and then this leg's a bit more side on like usual. And then this one's a bit more front on with his shoe coming down there. Obviously he's got his hands. Now he has a bit more of a thumb sort of hand like that on this picture that I'm looking at. And he's got a thumb sort of there like that. He's got his white shoes on. Now I'm going to map on his cool hairstyle. He's got his ear that comes out there. And then his big hair. Big sort of comb over like that. And then he's got his eyes, one there, and a big smile on his face. And then he's got his jacket on there. And then he's got this sash coming across his body. So I like to construct up my drawings, as you know. If you've been watching my channel, you'll know that I like to construct up my drawings to get them looking accurate first, and then I'll outline them after that. Time to start to draw Ken. I'm going to start with his eyes. So it's the Stumble Guy's eyes. 1, 2. And he's got a little bit of a mouth here, really faint, so I'm just drawing it with a thin line there. When we colour in, that'll look even better. And his eyebrows he almost looks a little bit mean in this picture. But just going to bring his eyebrows around. Now let's draw his hair. The side of his head comes down and around and across. Then comes back up into his ear, like that. And he's got some more hair. Bit of a zigzag through there. Bit of hair comes back and around and it slowly comes out. And then he's got this massive comb over with a little bit of a bit there. And that comes around like so. And you could put the line there for the ear. Now let's draw his neck. Come down with 1, 2 lines. Bring his shirt around. This is now his jacket. Comes around like this and then comes around like that. Bring this more straight out, then bring it around. Looks like he's got some shoulder pads straight across and up. Then he's got his jacket coming down, across and around like that. Let's do the other side now. Bring his collar in to there. His arm comes down and around like that. Bring that around. Now let's draw this line coming up through there. Now he's got his sash coming around that says Barbie. Let's bring that on. And finish off his jacket on this side. Up into there. Now this is his leg. Knee into his pants. Put the line across there. Bring his pants down on this side. Kicks in and out a little bit there. Now we've got his white shoes. One with a sole on it. Let's do the other one as well. More side on like this. And with the sole on that shoe. Now his hands are a little bit more pointy. There's one. There's the thumb, and then there's the hand like that. I'm going to write the word Barbie on with the gel pen, and once I colour it in. Let's give Ken a thicker outline. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye. See ya.